Back in June, we told you all about the Halls, a Lansing family who packed up their lives and took on a 50-state challenge while teaching their kids about different cultures. Well, they have made their way back to Michigan, but their journey is far from over.
When Morgan, Chris, Jonah and Jude, we ditched the 9 to 5 to spend more time with each other after years of missing out.
We're exploring every state in the U.S., creating experiences that bring us closer together the further we step outside of our comfort zones.
Where are we now?
Hi Explorers, greetings from
Michigan. This week was eye-opening, probably the most eye-opening since we started full-time RV life.
We decided to take a break from all the little renovations that we've been doing on our RV when our local news station contacted us to cover our journey.
Because I want to eat them. See, that's a good story. Since we got to talk to you last, we've had a lot of really cool adventures.
Those adventures included checking out the Pink Lake in Utah.
Who wants a cupcake?
Fossil hunting in Wyoming.
Let me see.
And sledding down the Great Sand Dunes in Colorado. But they've had other interesting experiences, some even high in the sky.
The boys went on their first ever plane ride. That was really cool. And Chris and I got to fly a plane for the first time.
And others on a body of water.
We rented a boat in Lake of the Ozarks.
Michigan is 23 on our list and we still have 27 to go.
Thank you everybody who has watched our videos and supporting us. And we love you.
In Lansing, sharing stories from your community, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Tiana Jenkins.
Some of the questions the reporter Tiana asked us really had us stumped. The one that really got us was the question, what are you going to do now that you're in Michigan, your home state? What epic adventure are you going to go on? And we just didn't really have a good answer for her because we've been so busy with the renovations, meeting our clients for the first time in a long time since being on the road in person. Doctor's visits, I mean, catching up with family. The list just goes on. And so that question really stuck with us and it put on that extra pressure of what are we going to do to represent our home state that we can really be proud of and show our kids what they can associate Michigan with. So it just really got us thinking.
And also, meeting Tiana really got the boys thinking about a life in the media and about in TV especially. So she saw how intrigued they were with the camera, the equipment. She actually invited us to come to the news station to take a tour of the studio.
Go ahead, guys. Aww.
I got you stuff too.
Oh.
You
Bring it in.
To go on your tour?
Aww. Oh my god.
In here.
How nice is that, you guys?
We have dominoes. There you go.
Oh, look, you're on TV.
Alright guys, what's the news, Jay? Tell me.
Thunderstorm is coming one day, and then all thunderstorms on the same day, every day.
The boys are hooked. Jonah wants to be a news anchor, Drew wants to be a meteorologist, but we still don't know at this point what we want to do.
Yeah, absolutely no idea. We really tried to think about all the different things that we could do that would represent the culture. Like when we were in Arizona, for instance, the kids, when they think of Arizona, they think about the friends that we made staying on a Navajo reservation. When they think about Texas, they think about the friends that we made that showed us around their hometown and brought us to their cattle farm. I mean, they have so many of these core memories that we just really wanted them to have some really awesome ones in our home state. And throughout the last year, we have found what we like to call water therapy. Whenever we are stressed about something or having a bad day or sad, we're always looking for things to do on the water, and it's really helped. So just down the road, really close to the news studio, there was a place to go kayaking in our hometown, which we had never done, a new way to see the city, so we thought we'd try it out.
All right.
You made it.
Like the sun shines on
Thank you.
That is cool.
Like a weather torn, one sturdy barn.
It's really peaceful out here.
Just to give you show.
Oh, it feels so weird.
It's clear.
Does any of this look familiar? This up here is the walkway to the place where we had prom. Yeah.
It's also construction season in the water in Michigan.
Don't come home and you say,
Jonah, do you remember when you were little, we used to take you to the city farmers market all the time and go and eat by the water?
baby, I know. Baby, I know.
See that big clock? Mommy and Daddy used to work right across the street from that big clock. It's called the Bogie Tower.
It reminds me of London.
But yeah, the Big Ben.
Yeah.
For saying to say, baby, I know.
There they are. We figured it out, and it was so simple.
It really was. So the week of my birthday, we thought it was the perfect excuse to get a bunch of amazing people together to celebrate. And we found a way to give back to the community that we love, that's showed us so much love.
This is where they play the movie from, see? I gotta see where we're at now.
Thank you, everybody, for coming.
Ms. Fox 47 so graciously covered our story. And when the reporter asked us how we choose events that we do in each state, we said that we wanted to experience the culture. And we were going to go to Mackinac Island because if anybody knows Chris, they know that he can eat a block of fudge as if it were a protein bar. And so, but we thought about what the culture would mean to us, and it was really just the people that mean the most to us and have supported us before we even left. So thank you for being here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Morgan. Woo!
It's your first movie.
Moral of the story, there is no place like home. And home does not have to be a place. It can be the way you feel when you're around the people that support you and lift you up. And we are so lucky that we were surrounded by that this week.
Yeah, and we can't wait tomorrow morning to get to the local food bank and donate all those awesome items. Thank you so much for bringing them. Like it means the world to us, like the support that we're getting from near and far. And just thank you for following our journey and sticking with us. We really, really, really appreciate it.
It's going to be another busy week, but we look forward to seeing you next week.
Cheers.
We're hoping for a bit more excitement. We headed more north.
This is what Mom and Dad. This is what really nice. Even though if it's sad music, we do that in every vlog.
Now sometimes I need you have to be say, I know. Now sometimes I lay, you have to wait, say, baby, I know.